In this video, I'll talk about how to create a home page for your website. Also, I'll discuss the entire procedure of how to design it so that it looks good. So let's get started.
Whenever you open a website, the first page that appears is your home page. Let me clarify you, on our website, we'll have different menus. And inside different menus, we'll have different pages like home pages, blog pages, about us page, contact us, privacy policy, and terms and conditions. So the first part of designing our home page is that we want our home page to be quite clean so that we can customize it according to our own choice. In the right side of our home page, you might be seeing there is a sidebar which does not look good on the home page. So we'll try to remove it also. So let's get started by coming to the back end of our website. In order to create pages or delete pages, we need to come into the Pages tab. All pages. As you can see here, 2 pages are by default given, so we'll try to delete that. For deleting, select it and then move to trash. Apply. Okay, so now as you can see, there is no page on our website, so we'll create a new page, that is home page, by clicking on Add New tab. This is gonna be our home page. So okay, the next setting we are supposed to do is to make our content layout to full width. So we don't want this sidebar to appear on our home page. So for that, content layout has to be full width. Now we are gonna go down and click on the title section, and here disable the display page title. Actually, this will disable the title home because we don't want the title to show up on our page. The reason is it's already understood that whenever somebody will open our website, the first page that appears is the home page. Also, there will be a menu called home, so if a user clicks on that menu, they will be redirected to our home page. That's why we want to disable our title so that this home isn't being displayed, because it's already understood. Now publish it. Okay, so now as you can see, home is live now. So our home page is live. So get back to the front end of our website and refresh the page. After refreshing the page, it still shows the same page because we created a home page but we didn't set that page to the home page. So the website doesn't know that the page that we created is a home page. So we need to set that to home page. For that, get to the settings tab on our dashboard and then click on reading. As you can see here, the home page shows latest post. See, there are 2 kinds of pages that we can set to home page. First, static and then dynamic. Static page means same page will show up as a home page. Like we create a page and set that to home page. That will be a static home page. Dynamic home page means different pages show up as home page at different times. Like if somebody opens up a website and if they find home page representing latest post, so latest post will be different at different times, right? It won't be the same all the time. So we want our website to have a static home page. The page that we created right now, we want to set that to home page. So for that, click on a static page and here home page, select the page home that we created right now. Scroll down and click on save changes. Again, come back to the front end of our website and refresh the page. Now you can clearly see that our home page is different than what it was earlier. But now there is nothing on our website. That we did intentionally so that we can customize it the way we want to. As you can see here, the sidebar is removed. That was done intentionally, but the tagline disappeared. That we didn't do. So this happened because of the default setting of OceanWP theme. If you would have been using different theme, it might not have been the same case. Still, you want the tagline to show up. So for that, click on Customize. And now click on Header. Then click on General. Change the style from minimal to top menu. Okay, so now as you can see in the preview, the entire layout is different. But I think this looks pretty cool. So we'll publish and you can choose any other style too. I want you people now to know that if you're using any other theme than OceanWP, then the same option you might find at different sections, right? So the options varies from one theme to the other. So by now what you understood is that you know how to create a home page and set that page to the home page by going into the settings tab of your dashboard. Also, you got to know something regarding customizing your homepage slight bit, like changing your style from minimal to top menu or any other options too. But there is a lot more left to edit in the homepage. So come back to the backend of our website, click on pages and then click on edit homepage. Okay, so choose a block and that's gonna be a heading block. So I'm gonna choose it to H1 section because H1 heading appears to have a better look. And now I had a pre-written set of text which I'm gonna copy and paste. Here will be something like title, Divyanshu Decodes. Then the next will be here to help you enhance your skills. And then there will be something like which would be explaining more about our website. That will be your most trusted destination for everything related to online learning and skills enhancement. The next thing we want to do is to add an image. So click on this plus here, or you can also click here. So click on here, then click on image section, upload, skills. Okay, so now you can write a caption over here that must be somehow related to the image. So here, to help you enhance your skill. That may be the caption for now. And the next thing we want to add is subheading, H2 heading, where I still have some pre-written text. So I'll copy that and we'll paste it over here. As you can see here, after clicking on block, you do have options, various options. Like from here, you can change block type or style. From here, you can also change the heading label, like from H1 to H2 or H3, H4, something like that. From here, you can drag the block. From here, you can change the text alignment, right? Like if you want it to be center. So we'll want to make it center. And also this text, I want to make it center. And we can add some more text, like if you have any query. Contact us, love. And we can change the font size too. From default to medium, we can make it more bigger. 22 is better than the other. Okay, again text alignment to center. The same is to be applied here also. Again, the text has to be center aligned. Now the more I want to add is to add an image of mine. For that, again click on plus sign. Click on image. Upload. Okay, so as you can see, my image also has been added. This was the only image in my PC, so I added it. So whatever changes that we make on our home pages further on, that has to be updated. Okay, so page updated. Let's go to the front end and check how our page is looking. Refresh. And as you can see, this is our home page. We'll customize it in a much better way later on. But for the time being, it's more than enough for you to practice and experiment with the tools available in front of you. You can design your home page beautifully now, since you know the various tools available and the procedure of how to do it. So go ahead with it. Well, how do you like it? Don't forget to comment to let me know. Well, if you think the video was valuable enough, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video where I'll tell you how to create menu for your WordPress website. Till then, take care of yourself, be happy, be positive.